Welcome to a very cozy art vlog. Today I want to paint a large floral acrylic painting inspired by my cut flower garden. As I'm getting my art supplies out and I'm getting ready to paint, I'd like to share with you some snippets of what I've been up to this summer. Very early this spring, I decided I would start a cut flower garden. My dream was to get a whole bunch of bouquets and have bowls of sunshine all around my house. My plan was to start a whole bunch of varieties of flowers because I wanted to learn and to know which ones were the easiest to grow, the least fuss possible, and get big, bold blooms. And because I wanted to make bouquets, I wanted to make sure that they had a good vase life as well. I've always enjoyed a little bit of gardening, growing tomatoes and berries and herbs. But what really inspired me to grow cut flowers was the paintings that I created in the last couple years, and also knowing how much I love flowers, but how expensive they can be at the florist. So growing them myself made a lot of sense, and it turned out to be really rewarding as well. It also allowed me to take a break from painting for a few weeks, which was really good because it gave me a chance to do other things and get a big inspiration refill. You might not know this about me, but I'm not a big fan of summer. I don't do well in heat at all, and bright lights can be hard sometimes. I much prefer crisp, rainy days. But growing a cut flower garden really made me appreciate summer a lot more. And now instead of dreading it, I know I'll be looking forward to more beautiful blooms next year. I also grew quite a few tomatoes this year. Maybe a little too many tomatoes, but it'll make the best pasta sauce for sure. I was able to make so many bouquets, a lot of bouquets. I gave some to my mom. There was beauty in the house throughout the summer. It was a lot of work, but it was good work. The kind of work that is good for the soul, you know? So, fully recommend it. I told you I grew many varieties, but some of my favorites were definitely the sunflowers. Some of them were deep orange. There was the classic ones, but there was also one with white petals and a gold center. Gorgeous. And these are Snapdragons. I really love them. They were a big surprise. It's a very prolific flower, no fuss at all. I'm gonna regrow them next year for sure. David and I also decided to create a cozy outdoor space this summer. We got a gazebo for our patio. That was the best decision, and it wasn't even that expensive. I realized that I never spent time on my patio because either the sun was shining too bright or in the evening there was so many mosquitoes. It was making being outside very uncomfortable. But the gazebo really made our summer. We had breakfast there, rain or shine. We spent a lot of time playing board games or playing guitar. It was magical. Gazebo life is the best life.
He's so cute and so cozy.
I'm gonna list my favorite flowers to grow in the info bar if ever you're curious and you want to try it yourself. Now you're all caught up. I'm fully ready for autumn. It's the best season, and I have tons and tons of reference photos of my beautiful summer flowers that last me throughout the year. Couldn't be happier. Today I'm gonna paint a large floral painting using acrylic paint. And as usual, I want to keep things very spontaneous, bold and expressive. I feel like flowers are so perfectly beautiful that honestly, I don't feel up to the task of trying to render them in a figurative way. I don't think I can do it. They're too gorgeous. So instead, I want to focus on the feeling of joy and happiness I get when I see them, when I'm surrounded with them. That candid, happy feeling. I'm gonna throw that on the canvas and have fun.
La dernière fois que j'ai eu des flashs de notre vie dans la période où le soleil était engourdi et bleu la lune nous souriait. La rivière est en constant mouvement d'or. Endors-toi. Dors, 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 endors-toi. Même avant les temps sombres, les temps noirs, les temps bleus, les temps rouges et les temps verts, t'étais auprès de moi, j'avais qu'à ouvrir les yeux. Sur la rive déserte d'un terrain de jeu, suspendu dans le temps, ivre et étourdi, dans une tempête inondée, pour 30 secondes, au creux d'un océan, noir et sans mémoire, de nous et notre vie dans la période où le soleil était engourdi et bleu la lune nous souriait. La rivière est en constant mouvement d'or. Endors-toi. Dors, 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 endors-toi. Dors, endors-toi. Dors, 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 endors-toi.
I know a lot of people love summer. Are you sad summer is over? Are you looking forward to autumn? What are your plans for autumn? Do you have anything you're looking forward to? I want to cook loads of super tasty comfort food and have feasts in my gazebo with David and Lennox under a warm blanket, and maybe paint a whole bunch of fall landscapes. That's my plan. If you want autumn inspiration, you can go watch this one. I think you'll like it. I really like it. I'll see you in just a few days for another one. Subscribe, hit the bell for notification. Please, please, please. Happy end of summer. Thanks for watching.